Hey guys, welcome back to Cyberpeace TV. My name is Ishban Yadav and you are watching Weekly Wraps. India hosted the 6th India EU Cyber Dialogue. The delegates discussed and reviewed various areas of cooperation in cyberspace, also contemporary, multilateral and regional cooperation on stability in cyberspace, also exchange of cyber policies, internet governance and new cyber-related technologies has been conveyed. Also, an agreement has been reached to conduct the next Indo-EU in Brussels. Chinese fintech app mushrooming in India. Instant loan app who threatened borrower with social shaming, FIR, harassment are found to be routed to China. These apps are not registered with the RBI. The immense amount of processing fee and less repayment duration are areas of concerns, and there have been several instances of commitment of suicide after facing such level of harassment and social shame. National security derivative on telecom sector. The Union Cabinet has approved its first and biggest framework against cyber threat. The list of equipment to be covered under this directive and the methodology to designate trusted products will be devised by the designated authority, who is the National Cyber Security Coordinator (NCSC). TSPs are required to connect new devices which are designated trusted products as per the directive. Hrithik Roshan imposter case transferred from Mumbai Cyber Cell to the crime branch. In 2016, actor Hrithik Roshan filed a FIR with the Cyber Cell with claims that an unknown person is speaking to actress Kangana Ranaut on his behalf with his email account. After 2 years, Roshan's counsel approached Mumbai Police Commissioner about the pendency of investigation. US Nuclear Agency has been targeted by suspected Russian hackers. The US Department of Energy, who are responsible for keeping the safety of nuclear weapons, cleared that malware which is being used for the attack only attacked the business network framework. No data related to nuclear weapon is impacted. Donald Trump's Twitter account allegedly hacked. The Dutch police stated that researcher correctly guessed the president's password to be MAGA2020! Security researcher and ethical hacker Victor Gervais could access to Trump's direct messages, post tweets in his name and change his profile. He won't be facing any charges as he was acting ethically while he was doing a semi-regular sweep of high profiles involved in US election where he rightfully guessed Donald Trump's password. Airtel Payments Bank diverting Manrega funds. UP government accuses Airtel Payments Bank, who opened accounts of 9,877 customers without taking their consent and received 76,63,000 of their Manrega wages in Airtel money through direct bank transfer, also known as DBT. International illegal call center busted in Delhi. Delhi Cyber Cell arrested 54 people who cheated over 4,500 US citizens for 90 crores. The employees, who dubbed as officials from the US government agencies such as the Social Security Administration, the DEA, Drug Enforcement Administration and the US Marshal Service. They would inform the targeted persons that their bank accounts and other assets are being frozen as the details have been found at a crime scene. The money, in form of bitcoins, would then be siphoned off by the gang. That's all from this week's Weekly Wraps episode. If you have any news that you want to be covered, do let us know in the comments section. And apart from that, if you haven't subscribed to Cyberpeace TV yet, what are you doing? Please subscribe and do like this video if you're enjoying all the content that Cyberpeace TV is producing and giving to you for free. So guys, I will see you soon in the next few episodes, and until then, bye bye, good night.